Okay, now we'll take the next factor of x. If we take x as a 4 and replace it in by x in the given polynomial, so we will have p into 4, which is equal to, now we are going to replace x by 4 in the polynomial, so x is replaced by 4, so we have 4 cube minus 4 raised power to 4 square minus 22 into 4 plus 40. So the remainder is equal to, if we take the cube of 4, which is equal to 64, and if we take the square of 4, which is equal to 16, now if we multiply 22 by 4, we will have 88 plus 40. If we add the positive integers of 64 and 40, we will have 104, and if we add the negative integers, which are minus 16 and minus 88, which is also equal to 104. So positive 104 and minus 104 becomes 0, so we have remainder as a 0, so 4 becomes the factor of, so the next factor becomes is x. By shifting 4 on left hand side, it becomes minus 4, so we have 0 on right hand side, so x minus 4 is the second factor of p into x. Now if we take x as a 5 and replace it into the polynomial, then we will have the next factor. So by replacing x by 5, we will have 5 cube minus 5 square minus 22 into 5 plus 40. So by simplifying, we will, by taking the cube of 5, which is equal to 125, and by taking the square of 5, which is equal to 25, if we multiply 22 by 5, we will have 110 plus 40. If we simplify these integers, so by adding the positive integers 125 and 40, we will have 165, and if we have 110 minus 25, then we will have minus 135. So remainder is not equal to 0. So 165 minus 50, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So remainder is not equal to 0. So 5 is not going to make a factor of this cubic polynomial. So we will have to take another factor of constant p over q. So by taking the, if we take x as minus 5 and put it into the polynomial, then we will have the next factor. By putting the x as minus 5 in the polynomial, we will have minus 5 whole cube minus 5 whole square minus 22 into minus 5 plus 40. So by simplifying, it becomes minus 125, and it becomes 25, and by multiplying minus 22 by minus 5, it becomes plus 110 and plus 40. If we simplify all these numbers, then the remainder is equal to 0. So the next factor becomes is x. If we shift minus 5 on right hand side, it becomes x plus 5. So x plus 5 is the factor of p into x, and it is the third factor of the given polynomial. So in this way we have found the three factors of the cubic polynomial, which are so the given polynomial is equal to, hence x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 40 is equal to, the first factor is x minus 2 and the second factor is x minus 4 and the third factor is x plus 5. So it is our answer. So in this way you will find the three factors of the given cubic polynomials.